Mail merge. The mail merge feature in Word 2016 is used to create personalized letters to be sent to many persons. It saves a lot of time, as you do not need to change the information for every person manually, like recipient's name, address, email, etc. Components of mail merge. There are three main components of mail merge in Word 2016, which are as follows. Main document. It is a document or template that contains the text of the letter which we want to send to our friends. Data source. It is a separate file that contains all information about recipients of the letter. Merged document. It is the final document created by merging the main document and data source. It contains a list of letters with text and the details of the recipient. Creating mail merge. To create mail merge, open a Word file and follow these steps. Step 1. Type the letter that is to be sent to many people. You need to type only the common details that are to be sent to everyone. This means that you do not need to type the names and addresses of the recipients here. Step 2. Click on Start Mail Merge command in Start Mail Merge group under Mailings tab. This will open a drop-down list of various options. Step 3. Select the letters option. Step 4. Click on Select Recipients command in the Start Mail Merge group under Mailings tab. Step 5. Select the Type a New List option from the drop-down list. The new Address List dialog box will appear. Step 6. Enter required details like title, first name, last name, address lines, etc. for all the recipients. When the details of all the recipients have been added, click on OK button. Step 7. This will open Save Address List dialog box. Enter a name for the field and click on Save button. By default, the data source file is saved in My Data Sources folder under the Documents folder of your computer. Step 8. Move the cursor to the position where addresses of the recipients are to be added. Then click on Address Block command from right and Insert Fields group under Mailings tab. This will show a preview of the address as it will appear on the letter in the Insert Address Block dialog box. Click on OK button. An address block tag will appear. Step 9. Click on Greeting Line command from the same group to add a greeting line for the addressee. Step 10. Click on Preview Results command from Preview Results group under Mailings tab. Step 11. Click on arrow buttons in Preview Results group under Mailings tab to see a preview of each letter. Step 12. Click on Finish and Merge command from Finish group under Mailings tab. To print the document, select Print Documents option, then tick All option under Merge to Printer dialog box.